Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Chris here, and for the new viewers, don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified on the future videos that I post to this channel. And because Cyber Monday is here, don't forget you can buy this PlayStation Pro 4K HDR with only £300. I bought this PS4 on Black Friday. Also, I bought a new TV OLED from LG, and today we're gonna have a PS4 Pro unboxing. So let's start opening the box to see what's inside. Also, with this PS4 Pro, you can get for another £20 a controller and a movie with your choice. So let's start opening this box to see what we got inside. But before I do that, I'm gonna read some specification from this box. So you're gonna watch 4K stunning games, and you can stream games and movies, and you're gonna have a vibrant HDR high dynamic range, and you're gonna have enriched experiences if you have an HD TV. Inside the box we got the PS4 Pro console and controller, a HDMI cable, a power brick, USB cable, micro USB cable, and some headphones. We also have the FIFA 20 game with the vouchers and codes, and we got some Sony PS4 Pro leaflets with safety guide and warranty. Also, with this offer we got a PS4 controller, I got them in color red. So now I got two brand new PS4 controllers, and of course instructions manual. So that's all you can find in the PS4 Pro box: a console, CD with FIFA 20, power brick, headset, HDMI cable, micro USB cable, and one PS4 controller, and some safety guide, leaflets, and how to use the PlayStation. So if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be notified on the future videos on this channel. Until next time, I wish you all the best. I'll see you all soon.